Hello students, we'll be starting with a new chapter today, trigonometry. Now in this chapter, we'll first start with the formulas. So this trigonometry chapter is divided in three parts. First is about the trigonometric ratios. Second is the complementary angles. And third is the table. Using the table, we have to substitute the values in the given question. Okay, so the first exercise is about trigonometric ratios. So let's first understand the different trigonometric ratios. The first ratio is sine of any angle. So that angle we take it as theta. This sine is called as theta. The sine is called as theta. This theta can have any value, like it can be 30 degrees, it can be 60 degrees, or any other value depending upon the question. Okay, or instead of theta we can use other variables also, like it can be sine x, it can be sine x, or sine a, or any variable. Okay, these variables only mean that they can be replaced by any angle. Okay, so first is sine theta. The formula for sine theta, see, the trigonometric ratios are applicable only in right angle triangles. Let's say this is a right angle triangle. Okay, see, 90 degrees, triangle A B C. Trigonometric ratios are applicable only in right angle triangles. So if let's say this angle is theta, I name this angle as theta. It may be of any value, 50 degrees, 40 degrees, 60 degree, anything. I name it as theta. Now the side which is opposite to 90 degrees is the hypotenuse. We know that the side which is opposite to 90 degrees is the hypotenuse. So this is the hypotenuse. Now if this angle is theta, the side which is opposite to this angle theta, the side which is opposite to this angle theta, it is called the opposite side, opposite of theta. Okay, so see, hypotenuse is fixed independent of where the angle theta is. This is always the hypotenuse. 90 के सामने always hypotenuse. फिर theta के सामने वाली side is opposite side. Okay, and the side which is near, adjacent, this side other than the hypotenuse and opposite, this side here which is just beside theta, this side is called as the adjacent side. Adjacent side, if I write the full name, it is adjacent side. In short, we write ADJ. Okay, so you have understood there are three sides in the right angle triangle. Okay, now these hypotenuse is always fixed, but these two sides can interchange, opposite and adjacent. How can they interchange? See, if for example I don't take this angle as theta, if I take this angle as theta, okay, the 90 degree cannot be theta. 90 degree is fixed. Theta can be this angle or this angle, the remaining two angles. If I take this angle as theta, the side which is opposite to theta will be this BC. So this will become the opposite side, and this third side will become the adjacent. Okay, so depending upon where theta is, the opposite side will change. If the theta is here, the opposite is this. If the theta is here, the opposite side will be this. Okay, so you know what are these three sides. Now the ratios, the different trigonometric ratios. So let's understand the ratios now. We'll have to learn these ratios. For sine, the formula is, it is opposite upon hypo. Okay, for cos, the formula is adjacent upon hypo. Okay, for tan, this is the tan, third trigonometric ratio. The formula is opposite upon adjacent. Okay, there are total 6 trigonometric ratios, but the other 3 are based on these 3 only. These 3 are the most important ones. Okay, now the next one is cosec theta. Now what is cosec theta? Cosec theta is nothing but the reciprocal of sin theta. Reciprocal of sin theta means cosec is, इसको उल्टा कर दो, opposite upon hypo को उल्टा कर दो, तो cosec is hypo upon opposite. Okay, this is reciprocal of sin. So sin को उल्टा करेंगे तो cosec. So I'll write here cosec theta. Okay, or I can write like this to make you understand that this is nothing but 1 upon cosec theta. Okay, I hope it's visible now. You can see here cosec theta. In the same way, reciprocal of cos, if you reverse cos, means hypo upon adjacent. Hypo upon adjacent is sec theta. If they ask you sec theta, sec, S-E-C, sec theta, then it is hypo upon adjacent. Okay, if they ask you cos theta, it is adjacent upon hypo. Okay, if they ask you sin theta, it is opposite upon hypo. If they ask you cosec theta, cosec, then it is hypo upon opposite. Okay, if they ask you tan theta, it is opposite upon adjacent. But if they ask you cot theta, then it is adjacent upon opposite. Okay, cot is adjacent upon opposite. So instead of writing 3 new formulas, I am just adding the formula here, that sin पढ़ लो, cos, cosec, you will automatically know that it is reciprocal of sin. You learn cos, then reciprocal of cos is sec. Tan, reciprocal of tan is cosec. Okay, now there is a short form to remember the formulas. Remember these formulas. What is the short form here? See, I'll erase this. I hope you have copied it. You can pause the video and copy it. So ka toa. Remember this abbreviation, so ka toa. So ka toa. What does it mean? It means sine, this S is for sine. Sine is opposite upon hypo. S means sine. Sine is opposite upon hypo. C is here cos. So cos is adjacent upon hypo. Okay, and this T means tan. Tan is opposite upon adjacent. Okay, so ka toa. Sine opposite upon hypo, cos adjacent upon hypo, tan opposite upon adjacent. Okay, so this is how you can remember. And then reciprocal of sine. Reciprocal of sine is cosec. Reciprocal of cos is sec. Reciprocal of tan is cot. Means अगर cosec पूछा तो h upon o, उल्टा. Sec पूछा तो h upon a, and cot पूछा तो a upon o. A means adjacent, o means opposite, h means hypo. Okay, so this is the shortcut you can remember, so ka toa. This shortcut will help you. Okay, I hope you have copied this. Now one more important thing here. Let's say this is a triangle ABC where angle C is theta. Angle A we don't know, angle B is 90, angle C we have taken as theta. Now we know that in a triangle, when I add all the angles, the total is 180. Okay, so A I don't know, B is 90 degrees and C is theta. So A will be equal to, I will shift this 90 and theta both on the right hand side. So it will be 180 minus 90 minus theta. Okay. 180 minus 90 will give you 90. Okay. So you will get this answer as you will get the value of angle A as 180 minus 90 is 90 minus theta. So you can see this, that you got the angle A as 90 minus theta. Means in a triangle, अगर एक angle 90 है, दूसरा angle theta है, then third angle automatically is 90 minus theta. Understood? In a triangle, if one angle is theta, another angle is 90, right angle triangle theta, and the third angle is automatically 90 minus theta. Okay, so you don't have to solve this always. You can directly know that this angle is 90 minus theta. So in the exam, if they give you like this, if they give you a triangle like this, okay, they give you one angle theta, another angle 90, so you can directly write this angle is 90 minus theta. Okay, this will help us in solving the sums. Okay. Exercise 19A, question number 1. Now in the first question we have already been given a diagram, right angle triangle with angle C is given as theta and angle B is 90. This side here is 30. This is 40, 34. Now we have to find sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. Tan 90 minus theta. So you know that if this is 90, this is theta, then this angle will be 90 minus theta. You know that. Okay. Now first, I know this side hypotenuse AC. I know BC. Using Pythagoras theorem, I can find AB. First I'll do that. In triangle ABC, using Pythagoras theorem, what does Pythagoras theorem states? That the sum of the squares of two sides containing the right angle is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. Sum of the squares of two sides is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. So AB we don't know, BC is 30, AC is 34. So AB square plus 900 equals 1156. So AB square equals 1156 minus 900, that is 256 AB square. So we take square root on both sides, so this will become 16. AB is 16. Okay, AB is 16. Now once we have AB, okay, copy this first. Now I'll erase this because we have the value of AB now. Now I have all three sides. So first I need to find the value of sine theta. Correct? Sine theta. Now what is the formula for sine theta? It is opposite upon hypo. Okay, opposite. Sine theta. Theta is here. Which side is opposite to sine? Opposite to theta. Which side is opposite to theta? It is AB. Okay, so I'll write AB. Hypo. Which side is the hypotenuse? AC. So I'll write here AC. What is AB? AB is given as 16. What is AC? 34. I'll cancel it. 2 8s are 2 17s are. So finally I'll get sine theta as 8 upon 17. Understood how we find a trigonometric ratio? In the same way I'll find cos also. Cos theta. So formula for cos theta is adjacent upon hypo. Okay, so for this theta, this is opposite, this is hypo, so this third side will be adjacent. Adjacent मतलब बाजू वाली side. Okay, hypo नहीं चलेगा, hypo cannot be adjacent, hypo is fixed, so this will be adjacent. So that is BC upon hypo is AC. What is BC? BC is 30, hypo is 34. So 2 15s are 2 17s are. So you will get cos theta as 15 upon 17. Okay. The third one is tan 90 minus theta. What is the formula for tan? Formula for tan is opposite upon adjacent. Okay, but this time the angle is 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta मतलब मैं ये angle use नहीं करूँगा. I will use this angle now. I'll have to use this angle. So इस angle 90 minus theta वाले angle के सामने कौन सी side है? BC. So opposite के यहाँ पे आएगा BC. फिर 90 minus theta, this is hypo will be same, hypo doesn't change, so hypotenuse is 34, but in the formula there is no hypotenuse, there is adjacent. So see, 90 minus theta के लिए opposite is this side, this is the hypo, so this side will be adjacent here for 90 minus theta. See, ये वाले angle के लिए opposite BC है, ये hypo है, so ये वाली side adjacent हो जाएगी AB, so here AB will come. Okay, so that is BC. What is the value of BC? 30. AB is 16. Okay, so 16 upon 30, just cancel it. You will get 15 upon 8. So your answer will be 15 upon 8 for tan 90 minus theta. Copy it. Okay, next sum. Question 2. Again we have the diagram here. No. This angle here is theta. Okay. If this angle is theta, this is 90, so this has to be 90 minus theta. Okay, this angle has to be 90 minus theta. Now, first thing I have to find is, first find the third side. That is most important. Find the third side. So using Pythagoras theorem, this is the hypotenuse. See, 90 के सामने is the hypotenuse. So PQ square plus QR square equals PR square. PQ square PR square. So we don't know the value of PQ. QR is 12. PR is 15. So I got PQ square as 81. That means PQ will be 9. So I'll write here PQ as 9. Now I have all three sides. Okay. So you can copy this, pause the video and copy it. First, we have to find the value of sine 90 minus theta. Sine 90 minus theta. What is sine? Sine is opposite upon hypo. Correct? Where is 90 minus theta? Here. 90 minus theta is here. So for 90 minus theta, which is the opposite side? PQ is the opposite side. Okay. So opposite is PQ. And hypo is 15. PR. Hypo is PR. So what will the answer be? PQ is 9 and PR is 15. So cancel it. 3 3s are 3 5s are. So you will get sine 90 minus theta as 3 upon 5. Okay. Then we find cos theta, that is adjacent upon hypo. Cos theta, see theta, the angle is theta, means this angle, this is theta. So theta ke liye this is the opposite QR and this is the hypo. So this is opposite. So for theta, PQ will be the adjacent side. Okay, see for theta, this is opposite and this one will be adjacent, PQ. So PQ adjacent, we want adjacent upon hypo is fixed, PR. So what is PQ? PQ is 9 and PR is 15. Again same. Here also we got 9 upon 15, here also 9 upon 15. So this will become 3 upon 5. So your cos theta is 3 upon 5. Okay. Next is tan theta. What is the formula for tan? It is opposite upon adjacent. Okay. See the diagram. Theta. Theta is here. So for theta, which side is opposite? QR is opposite. Okay. So opposite is QR. This is the hypo, but we don't want hypo. We want adjacent. So if this is opposite, this will be adjacent, PQ. Okay. The value of QR is 12. Value of PQ is 9. So 3 4s are 3 3s are. You will get the value of tan theta as 4 upon 3. Okay. Next sum. Question number 3. Now this sum is a little different. In this question, they have already given you the ratio that sine theta is 5 upon 13. Already the ratio is given. Now how to solve these type of sums when already a ratio is given and there is a triangle also, and this is AC. The value of AC is given as 52. This is 90 degrees theta. Okay. Now if the ratio is already given, what you have to do is listen carefully. You have to take this as 5x and 13x because we know it is a ratio. See, whenever we have a ratio like this, we take the common multiple as x. So this will become 5x and 13x. And what is the formula for sine? The formula for sine is opposite upon adjacent hypo. The formula for sine is opposite upon hypo. Okay. So for this angle theta, which side is opposite? Theta opposite is BC and hypo is AC. Okay, that means I have got 15x upon 13x, BC upon AC. So means AC is 13x and BC is 5x. Okay, so ये BC मिला 5x और AC क्या मिला 13x. AC means this side. Okay, ये side मुझे क्या मिला 13x. But 52 already दिया है क्वेश्चन में कि AC 52 है. So see, we got AC as 13x, but in the question it is given that AC is 52. So that means 13x equals 52. This 13x is nothing but 52. So what will x be? 52 upon 13. That is 1 za 4 za. So you will get x as 4. If you get x as 4, that means what will BC be? BC is 5x. Okay. That means 5 into 4, 20. So BC मिल गया 20. Okay. Now I can apply Pythagoras here. So I know this side is 20, this side is 52. I can find AB. Okay. Keep copying. Using Pythagoras theorem, I will have AB square plus BC square equals AC square. So we don't know the value of AB square, but we know BC square is 220 square. Now this is 52 square. What is 52 square? 50 square is 2500. 52 square is 2704 minus 20 square is 400, will get subtracted, minus 400. Okay, so you will get this as 2304. Okay, AB square is equal to 2304. That means AB is equal to 48. When you take the square root of 2304, it is 48. So I am getting this third side AB, which was unknown, as 48. Now I have all three sides. I'll erase this. You can pause the video and copy it. Now once I have all three sides, I can find whatever is required. So they want me to find AB. I already did 48, BC also 20, and I have to find tan theta. So tan theta is opposite upon adjacent. So here is theta. Which side is opposite? BC. And for this theta, AC is hypotenuse, AB will be adjacent. See, तीन साइड्स होती है, एक तो ऑपोजिट, हाइपोफिक्स है, जो थर्ड बचती है वो एडजेसेंट. ओके, सो BC is 20 and AB is 48. So 4 5 za, 4 1 za, 2 za. So you will get tan theta is 5 upon 12. This was the third sum. Okay. I'll erase this. You can pause the video and copy it. Fourth sum is similar. Here it is given that cos theta is 0.96. Okay. 0.96 means it is 96 upon 100. Okay, so I cancel it. 4 2 4s are 24s are 4 25s are. So you are getting cos theta as 24 upon 25. Okay, ratio is given. I told you whenever ratio is given, you have to take the common multiple as x. Okay, and there is a triangle also drawn. This angle is theta and this AB is 24. Okay, now what is the formula for cos? The formula for cos is adjacent upon hypo. Correct. Here is the angle theta. Opposite side will be BC. AC is the hypotenuse and AB will be adjacent here. Okay, so AB adjacent or AC hypo. That means ये AB है 24x because ये equal है ratios and AC है 25x. Okay, so AB is 24x. But here AB in the question it is already given that AB is 24. Okay, but it is given that AB is 24. So 24x equals 24. That means x will be 24 upon 24. That means x is 1. Okay, x मिल गया 1. Now what is AC? AC is 25x. So AC is 25x means 25 into 1, that is 25. AC is 25. I got AB as 24, AC as 25. So I can find BC easily by Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So AB square plus BC square equals AC square. Okay. So 24 square plus BC square equals 25 square. 625 minus 576, that is 49. So you will get BC as 7. First step, if ratio is given, first step is to take x and find the value of x. Then apply Pythagoras and find all three sides. So now I have all three sides. So I can find anything whichever is required. Okay. AC and BC मैंने find कर लिया. Now what do they want me to find? You can pause the video and copy it. They want me to find cot theta. What is cot theta? Ulta of tan theta. Tan was opposite upon adjacent. Cos is adjacent upon opposite. Okay. This is theta here. This side is opposite BC. And this side is adjacent because AC is hypotenuse. Okay. AB is 24, BC is 7. That's it. This is the answer because there is no cancellation possible here. Okay. Copy it. Next sum. This sign is alpha, this sign is beta. They are just unknown variables, like we have x or we have theta. Wैसे they have given alpha. Okay. Now the first thing is, see this triangle PQR. In this triangle, PQ is 16, PR is 20. See, PR is the hypotenuse, side opposite to 90. So I can find QR using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, you have to write always, you have to write using Pythagoras theorem. So this is 16 square. I don't know the value of QR. This is 20 square. Now I want you to do this on your own. Do this calculation. You will get QR as 12. Okay. Do this calculation on your own. Then see this triangle. In this triangle, side opposite to 90 is the hypo. We have to find the hypo. We know PR, we know RS. This is a right angle triangle. So I'll apply Pythagoras here also. PR square plus RS square equals PS square. Okay, so 20 square plus 21 square equals PS square. This will be 400 plus 441 equals PS square. That is 841 equals PS square. When you take the square root of 841, you will get 29. Okay. So now I have all the sides. I have QR as 12. I have PS as 29. First, you have to find all three sides. Okay. Copy it. Now once I have this, I have to find the value of cos alpha. Okay, what is cos? Cos is adjacent upon hypo. Keep this short form in front of you. So ka toa. Remember this short form. So ka toa. Opposite upon hypo, adjacent upon hypo. Okay, and toa means opposite upon adjacent. Okay. So here is the alpha angle. This is the triangle, 90 degree वाला triangle. So अल्फा के opposite क्या है? PQ. ये hypo है PR. So this will be adjacent QR. So it is QR upon hypo is PR. What is QR here? 12 and PR is 20. So 4 3s are 4 5s are. So you will get the answer as 3 upon 5. So means cos alpha is 3 upon 5. Then we have to find sine beta. The formula for sine is opposite upon hypo. Okay, so here is beta. So beta के opposite PR है और hypo क्या है? PS. So what is PR? 20. PS क्या है? 29. No cancellation is possible. So this is sine beta. Done. Next, question number 6. A similar question. Now again in this question, there are two right angle triangles. ABADC. This is a right angle triangle ADC, where AC is the hypotenuse, and ADB is a right angle triangle where AB is the hypotenuse. So in both the triangles you will apply Pythagoras theorem. Okay, I'll just give you the statements. In this triangle it will be AD square plus BD square equals AB square. Okay, put the values here. AD square plus BD square, 8 square plus 6 square equals AB square. Find this value. You should get the value of AB as 10. Okay, do the calculation yourself. Okay, then in this triangle apply Pythagoras. AD square plus DC square equals AC square. So 8 square plus 15 square equals AC square. So solve this. You should get the value of AC as 17. You have to do the calculation here. Okay, I am deliberately skipping the calculations because you know Pythagoras theorem. Pause the video and find these values. Okay, I'll erase this. Now we know all the values. Now what do we need to find? We have to find sine theta plus cos theta. Okay, now what is sine theta? The formula for sine theta is opposite upon hypo. You can write short form like this: opposite upon hypo, and cos theta is adjacent upon hypo. Okay, theta, see the angle is theta, means this theta, means I will use this triangle. Okay, this triangle. In this triangle थीटा के ऑपोजिट साइड कौन सी है? AD. ओके, सी ये बड़ा वाला ट्राइंगल मत ले लेना. बड़ा वाला ट्राइंगल इज नॉट अ राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल. वी ऑलवेज नीड अ राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल. सो थीटा के ऑपोजिट AD है. AD, सो AD इज द ऑपोजिट, एंड योर हाइपो इज AB. यहाँ थीटा के लिए ऑपोजिट इज दिस इज हाइपो, सो दिस विल बी द एडजेसेंट BD. Okay, so 8 upon 10 plus 6 upon 10, that is 14 upon 10, that is 7 upon 5. So this is your answer, 7 upon 5 for sine theta plus cos theta. Next, we have to find sec alpha plus tan alpha. Okay, now what is sec alpha? Alpha is here, see this is alpha. Okay, so the formula for sec is reciprocal of cos. Cos का उल्टा, cos is A upon H, sec is H upon A. Okay, plus tan, tan is O upon A. Now for this triangle, I'm talking about this triangle now. For this triangle, AC is the hypotenuse. Okay, so hypotenuse is AC, opposite is DC. See अल्फा के सामने ये है, अल्फा के सामने DC या CD you can say. Opposite is CD, and what is adjacent? If this is the hypo, this is opposite, so this will be adjacent AD. AC is 17 upon 8 plus CD is 15 upon 8. When you add this, you will get 32 upon 8, that is 4. So your answer is 4 here. Next, question number 7. Again, we have to find the same thing, but the diagram is different. Angle degree given here. This side is 16, this is 12. $21. This is y, this is x. Okay, so first, see, this is a right angle triangle PQS, where this is 90 degrees. So side opposite to 90, PQ is the hypotenuse. So using Pythagoras theorem in this triangle, I can find the hypotenuse. Okay, it will be PS square plus QS square equals PQ square. So that is 16 square plus 12 square equals PQ square. Solve this, you will find PQ as 20. You will get PQ as 20. Pause the video and complete it. Pause the video and complete it. Do all the steps here. Then you see the bigger triangle PQR. This bigger triangle PQR. Again here you will apply 90 degrees here. So this will be the hypo. Okay. So we don't know the value of PR. So I'll apply Pythagoras here. PQ square plus QR square equals PR square. Okay. So 20 square plus 21 square equals PR square. So that is 400 plus 441. That is, you can say, 841. So you will get PR as 29. This is 29. 20, 21, 16, 12. We know all the sides now. Once we know all the sides, I can find the unknown values. Sub question 1 and sub question 2. I'll erase this. First I need to find sec x plus tan x. Again, the formula of sec is reciprocal of cos. That means it is h upon a. And tan is O upon a. Okay, sec x. X means they are talking about this triangle. Now in this triangle, see, PQ is the hypotenuse 90 के सामने. X के सामने कौन सी side है? QS. So QS will be opposite. Okay, so QS will be opposite. Hypotenuse is PQ. Okay, and this is opposite, this is hypotenuse. So PS will be adjacent. Okay, so 16. So 20 upon 16 plus 12 upon 16, that is, we'll add, no need to take LCM because denominator is same. So 20 plus 12, 32 upon 16, that is 2. Okay, done. Sub question 1 is done. Sub question 2, we need to find cos y minus sin y. So what is cos? The formula for cos is a upon h, and sin is O upon h. Okay, y means this triangle, means the bigger triangle, the full triangle. So for this y, opposite side is this PQ. PQ will be opposite. Hypo is 29. PR will be the hypo. And adjacent, see ये y है, this is opposite, this is hypo, so this will be adjacent QR. Put the values here. 21/29 minus 20/29. So answer is 1/29. Done. Question number 8 is also same. First, we will do Pythagoras and find the missing sides. So see, there are two triangles here, but both the triangles should be 90 degrees. See, there is one 90 degree here. So this is one triangle ABC. This is one triangle ABC. Okay, and the other triangle is not ACD. ACD is not a triangle because it is a triangle, but it does not have a 90 degree here. So we cannot take ACD. दूसरा triangle क्या होगा? AB and this full D. This ABD. This ABD full will be the second triangle. First triangle is ABC and second triangle is ABD full. So in this first triangle, I'll apply Pythagoras and find AC first. So AB square plus BC square equals AC square. So you can easily find the value of AC here. Make the squares, add them, you will get the value of AC as 25. Okay, so this will be 25. Then take this full triangle ABD. इसमें AB is 20, BD is 15 plus 6. BD is 15 plus 6, that is 21. Okay, ये पूरा BD मिलेगा 21. So 20, 21. I will find AD. Okay, AB square plus BD square equals AD square. So 20 square plus 21 square equals AD square. Now we have done this many times. This comes out to be 841 and you will get AD as 29. This is 29. Okay, so done. You can pause the video and copy it. Now here we have to first find tan theta plus cot अल्फा. आगे दिया है कॉमा साइन थीटा. कॉमा साइन थीटा मतलब ये अलग क्वेश्चन है. ठीक है, कॉमा साइन थीटा अलग है और कॉमा कॉस अल्फा वो भी अलग है. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट लेट्स फाइंड दिस बिकॉज दिस इज वन टर्म. सो tan थीटा प्लस कॉट अल्फा. व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर tan थीटा ओ अपॉन ए? व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर कॉट अल्फा? मीन्स व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर कॉट? Cot is reverse of tan. Okay, reverse of tan. So cot is A upon O. Okay. Now theta, tan theta है तो theta कहाँ पे है, theta यहाँ पे है, ठीक है, तो ये O upon A इस theta वाले ट्राइंगल का होगा. ओके, सो थीटा इज ओ अपॉन ए. थीटा के लिए ऑपोजिट क्या है, ओ मतलब ऑपोजिट, ऑपोजिट क्या है थीटा के लिए, बी सी. ओके, और ये हाइपो है ए सी, सो दिस विल बी एडजेसेंट ए बी. ओके, सो ए बी एडजेसेंट हो गया. प्लस अल्फ़ा मतलब ये, मतलब पूरा ट्राइंगल अल्फ़ा मतलब, ठीक है. तो अल्फ़ा के लिए ऑपोजिट इज ए बी फॉर अल्फ़ा. ओके, तो ऑपोजिट कहाँ पे है, नीचे. सो अल्फ़ा ए बी and this is the hypotenuse 29, so this will be adjacent BC. See ये अल्फ़ा वाले ट्राइंगल जो बड़ा वाला ट्राइंगल है, for this triangle this BD will be the adjacent side. Okay, so adjacent is BD. Now let's put values. BC is 15 upon AB is 20, plus here also AB is 20, and BD means this full side, that is 21. Okay, so 15 plus 21 upon 20, that is 36 upon 20. Correct. So when you cancel it, 4 9s are 4 5s are, you will get 9 upon 5. Your final answer will be 9 upon 5 for tan theta plus cot alpha. Next is sin theta. What is sin theta? Sin theta is O upon H. Okay, theta means here, so opposite will be BC and hypo is AC. So what is BC? 15, hypo is 25. So 5 3s are 5 5s are, answer is 3 upon 5. Done. And listen to the next one also. Cos alpha. Cos is A upon H. So here is alpha. Alpha के सामने this is opposite, this is hypo, and this will be base. I mean adjacent. For alpha this will be adjacent BD. So it will be BD upon hypo is 80. Okay, BD is 21, AD is 29. So this is your cos alpha. We cannot cancel it, it will be remain as it is. Okay, so you got sin theta as 3 upon 5, sin theta 3 upon 5, and cos alpha is 21 upon 29. With this we have completed question number 1. Okay, question number 1 is done. That's it for today. Thank you. You can pause the video, copy the sum, and draw the diagram neatly.